Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, power cycle the scanner and your host computer. Unplug for 30 seconds, then plug back in. This clears transient faults. Next, inspect cables and connectors visually and by swapping ports, because a bad cable mimics error 52. Once done, open Device Manager and confirm the scanner appears with the correct driver and no warning icon. If the driver is missing, prepare the manufacturer's package for installation. You now handle the middle, technical fixes that usually resolve error 52. Install the exact driver package from the vendor, because generic drivers can fail communication. Run as administrator to apply necessary permissions. Then update scanner firmware using the manufacturer's utility. Follow on-screen checksum or version prompts. Mismatched firmware often triggers error 52. Make sure to disable driver signature enforcement temporarily only if the vendor. You finish by validating the repair and preparing for troubleshooting if needed. Run the scanner's built-in self-test and the vendor diagnostic tool. These confirm hardware and protocol-level communication. Then perform a full scan from your target application to verify image transfer and format correctness. If error 52 persists, collect logs from Device Manager, the vendor tool, and Event Viewer. These details let support pinpoint driver, firmware, or permission conflicts. One key tip: test with a known good host to isolate the scanner versus host problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.